Hey, good day. My name is Mayowa, Owolabi. You're welcome to another amazing episode of Financial Trading Culture. Super excited. If this is your first time coming to this channel, you want to make sure you click on the notification bell and click on the subscriber button so that whenever we upload the right content, the next content for you, you would not miss out. And today's topic, we are talking about why you need to keep journal. Now, journaling is one of the most amazing way to overcome overtrading. Write that down. It is one of the major ways to overcome overtrading. A lot of time when you have your MetaTrader 4 on your phone, and when you have your MetaTrader 4 always on your laptop, and you're a digital entrepreneur where you are always working on your laptop, one of the things that can allow you to grow this discipline is that you are keeping journal. Now, whenever you start keeping journal, one of the things that it will do for you is that it will allow you to begin to slow down before placing a trade. Come on. See, guys, when I started implementing this, it changed my trading. Now, one of the things, I'll just show you a template here. It doesn't have to be this. It could be more than. Okay. So one of the things that we have here is, this is one of the templates we have. You want to have the date you are entering the trade, the currency pair you are entering. Now, the rules that was met. See, guys, when you trade the rules of engagement, when you understand the rules of engagement for you to put in your trade, it will help you a lot. Because when you don't have the exact rules of engagement, you're going to be missing out. And I can guarantee you that you will go in at the wrong time. I remember several times that because I needed to keep record of my trade, it allows me to be able to go through my condition of trading over and over and over again. So what you want to do is you want to make sure you have your rules. Rule 1, I must see market structure. Rule 2, I must see this condition. Rule 3, I must see this condition. Now, when rule 1, rule 2, rule 3 are met, that is when I will place the trade. And once you start implementing that, I can guarantee you that your trading will change. It will allow you to be able to keep record. Now, once you keep record of the rules, then you also want to enter what type of entries you went in. You want to make sure you have your stop loss. You want to make sure you have your take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. Now, take profit 3 is not compulsory. It depends on your strategy. So a lot of times you can go with take profit 1, you can go with take profit 2. But when you go with take profit 1, take profit 2, you want to also know when to break even. Some of us don't know when to break even. Whenever take profit 1 is met, always break even. That should be in your trading journal. When did you break even? So with that, you are able to know that this is how you're going to be trading, and you don't want to go against the rules. And let me also share one of the things that this will change for you. It will also allow you to be able to know the best time to trade. It will allow you to know the best session to trade and the session that your strategy works better on. So if the trade is a London session trade and you study it over time, you will see that this works for London session. When it works for New York section, you know, oh, this works for New York section. Then you now say to yourself, I am not going to be trading London session again. I want to stick to New York section. Why? Because over time, your journal has helped you to be able to do that. And at the end of every month, you check through your checklist, you check the trades you have gone in, and you check how consistent your trading is. If you don't have a trading journal and you're trading from the head, you're going to be missing out. Okay, guys? Please type in in the comment below how this will help your trading. If you're already using a journal, come on, type in, I'm already using a journal. Comment below. Let me hear from you. Guys, before I upload the next episode, I want you guys to comment your feedback so I would know how this has already been helping your trading approach. Thank you so much for staying tuned to this amazing training that we drop in the Owolabi TV. YouTube channel. Guys, I look forward to your success. Make sure you stick to the rules and don't break the rules. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure you share this video to a lot of people so you can help them succeed. I look forward to your success. My name remains Mayowa Owolabi. Talk to you guys soon.